Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to reply some of your doubt related to NPT. And guys, exclusively in this video I am going to reply you the questions based on the exam center, hall ticket and final exam. And in subsequent video I will provide about online programming test and also how to cancel NPTEL exam and related to refund. Okay guys, so let's get started. And in this video I am going to almost reply around 15 to 20 questions, and definitely I hope you will get a lots of help from this video. And if you get help from my side, please don't forget to like the video and drop your comment in the comment section, and also share this video with other learners and help one another. Okay guys, so our first discussion will be related to the exam city. So where you will exam city will be, when you will get, how you to know, how come to know the exam city, what you do your exam city is completely a different location. Then followed by when you will get hall ticket and what you have to do, is the exam is going to be online or can you write those exam from home, like that step I will discuss. And then after, what types of question will come, when the question pattern will come, each and everything I will discuss in this video. So now let's get started with first question. So how to check your exam city or when the exam city will come? Guys, last night itself the NPTEL announced the exam city, that is on December 11th. So now you can check your exam city, final exam city for the NPTEL exam. For that, last night you might have also got this mail. So the exam city or session has been allocated and available in the below link. This link I will provide in the video description as well as comment section. You can directly click on link and sign in and check the exam center. I am going to show you entire process, so you will not get or face any types of difficulties. So you will get this page, then you have to click here. Same way you go guys. If you also very concerned about the interface, then you go to Chrome and set the desktop mode, so you will get the entire same thing on your mobile phone also. Okay guys, so you can see here, this time I am just going to write only one exam, and you can see here the exam center is, you can see here K Kutru village, you can see. Okay, so this is my college itself, home center is there. So at my college itself the exam center is. This way you can check if your all is here, all courses are there, there is like 2-3 courses, you are doing multiple courses, then course name and exam center will be there, and of course for all courses exam center will be same. Okay, so like there is on what session your exam is going to be, you can check the dates of exam, on what dates your exam is going to be, and on what session. So session is, you can see here AN. So in afternoon session my exam is, and afternoon session is from 2 to 5 and morning session is from 9 to 12. So those all detail you will get on the hall ticket. So let me come with the question, you will get all those information related to hall ticket also. Okay guys, so coming to how can I know exam city, already you can know from here, even you can know the dates of exam and session of exam, center of exam from here. So shift also, and then what will be date and shift for my final exam. So already from here you can find, will the final exam online, means many of you are asking the exam will be online or offline. So guys, this question is itself contradictory. The NPTEL always used to conduct exam online on online platform, and online means coming to, there is two category, that is protected or unprotected. Unprotected means you can write from any place at your home or the cyber or computer center. You can write from any place where is the good net speed. So that is unprotected, and even in unprotected there is web camera protected, like those things comes. And coming to the NPTEL, let me be very specific to the NPTEL. NPTEL exam will be online, but that is on center. So you have to go at the center, center name is mentioned. So you have to go on the center and write the exam. Okay guys. So there what you have to carry, those things I will discuss. So there on center exam you have to write, and there will be no web camera protected guys. So there will be no web camera, but anyhow you can't use other material, you can't refer any other things while you are writing exam, because some NPTEL people are observing you and some faculty are also observing you, so you can't go for other help. So let me discuss all question, you will get all your doubts cleared. Okay, so that will be online, and you can't write from home guys. This final exam you can't write from home, like you are writing online programming test from home. You are able to write online programming test from home because that is unprotected. But coming to final exam, you have to appear on the center and write from there. Okay. So you can write from home your final exam. So the next question is, when will we get hall ticket? How to download it? So guys, hall ticket may be come by near to date of December 10. So within more, maybe up to December 13, or maybe within range of December 8 to 13 you will get hall ticket. And once the NPTEL will release hall ticket, definitely I will provide one short video on that, how you can download those certificate, and I will discuss all those given point instruction on the hall ticket and how you can follow up. Everything I will discuss. Okay guys. So one question I would like to introduce. So coming to hall ticket, once you get hall ticket, you can also take color print as well as the black and white. So whatever you feel cool with, you can take that print, and you have to carry those hall ticket on the exam center. And also you have to carry your valid ID proof, like college ID card or Aadhaar card or driving license. You have to carry on the hall ticket, on the exam center. Okay guys, so those all things will be mentioned on the hall ticket, so don't worry, once hall ticket will release we will discuss on that. Coming to the final exam, will the final exam will be web protected and also navigation protected? So coming to web protected, no guys, that will be not web protected, but there is some faculty and investigator is there, they will keep on observing you, so you can't refer other material. Coming to navigation protected, yes, that is navigation protected, and this is IONS, TCS IONS OS, their tool is installed. On that you have to write the exam. So everything has been set up on the exam center, you just have to go and type as a password, you have to type your date of birth and click on submit, and then after you will get the all bits and you have to attempt it. Coming to other questions, is there compiler on final exam to run code and get output? No guys, on final exam there will be no online compiler will be available. You have to do those things your own and complete the exam. There will be no online compiler, but there is availability of online calculator, so you can use online calculator. You can't carry your calculator, so there is online calculator. Those all things will be mentioned on the hall ticket, and also NPTEL will soon inform about the online calculator, and even they will give you the link for practice of the online calculator features. So once NPTEL will also announce regard those online calculator, I will definitely provide video on that, and I will show you how you can practice for that. Okay guys. Coming to the next question, maybe yours. should I carry the rough sheet on the exam? Can I use rough sheet there? Of course guys, you can use rough sheet, but you need not to carry. You can carry your pen. You will get rough sheet at the exam center. You have to ask the coordinator who is there, the people who are there in surveillance. You ask them for the rough sheet, they will provide you, and you can use those rough sheet. And before you leaving the exam center, you have to submit those hall ticket, sorry, those rough sheet as well as hall ticket to those person. Okay guys, so you need not to carry. You will get those rough sheet on the exam center, and before leaving the exam you have to submit those rough sheet. Coming to next question, what types of question in final exam? So most of you are asking, will the question will be MCQs, and all will the question be programming or not? So coming to programming courses, you are asking these things. So guys, of course there will be MCQs, and some question will be blanks. Space, so you have to fill the blanks. Like some snippet of code is given, and you have to trace those codes. You have to understand those codes, do on the rough sheet, and then after you have to predict. You have to find out what will be output, and you have to type those output in the blanks. You need not to write any code. Maybe some question like there is some algorithm is given, like linear search algorithm, and they have just not mentioned one line for you, and they will ask in line number 1 what will be substitution of the code. So that one line code you have to type, but there will be very few questions like blanks and those substitution you will get. Okay guys, and there will be no programming question will be there. You need not to write programming, complete programming, as online programming test has been already going on, and also for some courses it has been completed. So there will be no online programming in final exam. Okay guys, so soon NPTEL will announce the syllabus and pattern, how many questions will come in the announcement session. Once NPTEL will announce those things for this semester, I will definitely provide one video on that, and I will always there to help you out. Okay guys, then coming to the next question, will be there negative mark? No guys, NPTEL has no negative mark. Okay, and you are watching my video, then let me share you some special tips. If you are sure about questions, you tick there. If you get multiple answer question, like you can select more than one question, one answer in a question, then guys, if you are not very confirm with multiple answer, then click one answer, because if you click one correct option only, then you will get some partial scoring. But if you click on the multiple answer, and if any of your answer goes wrong, then like similar to assignment, you will get 0 score for that. So always go with the safe corner. And coming to, if you are not knowing the answer of some bits, then for all those types of bit, you can just click like option A or option B or option C or option D. But for all those questions like that, you go for same option. Like if you going with option B, then go with all, for all bits option B. So according to probability, you will get the good score if you go like that, because in probability you will get at least a 25 score, 25% score if you go for that hit and trial method. Okay guys, coming to the question, how many question will be there? Already I have told that NPTEL will announce the same soon on the announcement session. Next question, how much I have to score to get certificate? So guys, you have to score 40%. At least you have to make 40% answer correct in the final exam to get the certificate. Okay. So in final exam will be of 100 score, and later on based on your course they will reduce to, like you are doing programming courses, then NPTEL will conduct 100 score and they will reduce to 50 score, because already you have 25 score for assignment, weekly assignment, and 25 score for online programming test. So 50 score is completed out of 100. So they will reduce 100 score to 50 score after exam, and based on that you will get a score. If your exam is not programming, like discrete mathematics is there, then they will reduce 100 score to 25, and you will get a score respectively. But 40% you have to secure, like 40% of 50 marks you have to secure. Okay. Coming to the how many hours exam will be. Guys, NPTEL exam used to be 3 hours, morning shift and afternoon shift. So 3 hour exam in morning 9 to 12, and in afternoon 2 to 5, like that exam is there. So you will get those all details on the hall ticket, guys. Okay. Coming to next question. I missed online programming test or fail in online programming test. Will I get certificate if I pass in final exam? No, guys. If you have missed the online programming test, you will not get certificate, because NPTEL has clearly mentioned that at least you have to score 10 out of 20. If your score is not meeting this requirement, you will not get certificate, even you will secure full score out of full in the final exam. 3 conditions must be met. Your assignment score must be greater than equal to 10 out of 25. If there is online programming test, then there also you have to score at least 10 or more than 10 out of 25. And in final exam, though it is going to be 50 score exam or 25 score exam, after conversion you have to make sure at least you will attempt 40% correct answer, then only you will get certificate. Okay guys, I hope I am clear with this. And guys, maybe some of you are asking, is there any types of supply exam from NPTEL? No guys, there is no provision of supply exam from NPTEL, but one provision is still there. If your college is active and your college spouse is interested to conduct supply exam, of course your spouse can conduct the supply exam, but in that case NPTEL will not issue certificate. Your spouse center and college can issue certificate, but NPTEL will not issue certificate in that regard. Those exam conducted by your spouse and college will be considered as supply exam, but NPTEL will not issue certificate. You will not get NPTEL issued certificate in that case. Okay guys, will you get ROP sheet? Already I have mentioned ROP sheet and calculator you will get there. Online calculator will be available with exam. Coming to next questions, some question like what I did mistake in my DOB, date of birth, name and some other details. What I do. And if you have not did those changes during last week when it was requested from NPTEL, for now you have to drop the email to NPTEL regarding those mistakes, and NPTEL will charge some money and they will do the required changes. Okay. So how much score will be for final exam, already I have mentioned, and how many hour exam will be there, I have already mentioned. And if you want to know the detailed syllabus related to any courses, you can visit the Deep Code Guru YouTube, and you can check the home page. There is playlist NPTEL exam syllabus in detail, and guys you can go and check it out. So I have provided details syllabus for the different courses. You can check here all those things, okay, and you can take advantage of this information. Okay, even if you want to know how to secure your assignment score for NPTEL courses, any of the courses like an expert, then you refer to this video. You will definitely get to know lots of information regarding it. If you also want to know related to online programming test, you can watch this video guys. And now coming to the next things, if you want to enroll the best courses in the January to April 2021 semester, and also you want to get NPTEL Star certificate or NPTEL domain certificate, kindly go and watch this video how to register NPTEL online courses. So you watch this video, then you watch NPTEL Star certificate, followed by guys you watch how to get NPTEL domain certificate, then only you enroll the course. So you can enroll one of the best courses. Guys, I have completed 14 NPTEL courses and got 3 NPTEL Star certificates. So I am much more familiar with NPTEL platform, and I have provided very detailed video on those concepts. So you can see the video length is high because I have provided sufficient information. Once you watch the video, you will be like one of the expert and informed person. So go with those, and I hope you will get a lots of help from this video. So do enroll the new courses, and we will meet again in the coming semester and help one another. Guys, if you have get help from my side, please don't forget to like the video, post your comment by taking your 5-second times, and share this video with taking next 10 seconds, and also do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get a lots of update and information related to NPTEL on the time limit. Okay guys, and if you have not got any help from my side, feel free to unsubscribe me and sign out from my platform. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deepcode Guru. Happy learning.